In a village lived a young girl named Maya. Maya's family was not very wealthy, but they were content and happy with what they had. Maya's parents always taught her to be grateful for the blessings they received. One day, Maya's village faced a severe drought. The crops withered, and the villagers faced scarcity of food and water. People were worried and started complaining about their hardships. However, Maya's family continued to share their meals with their neighbors and help those in need. Maya often visited the village temple and prayed. One day, while she was sitting there, she looked around and noticed a beautiful painting of a tree with fruits, animals, and a serene environment. The words underneath it read, "Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life." Inspired by the painting, Maya decided to organize a community gathering to express gratitude for whatever they had. She talked to the village elders, and together, they organized a Thanksgiving Day. On the special day, villagers came together with whatever little they could offer: fruits, grains, stories, and songs. They stood in a circle, holding hands, and shared their stories of gratitude. Maya's family shared their meals, and the atmosphere was filled with positivity and warmth. As they shared their experiences, a gentle rain began to fall. The villagers rejoiced, believing it to be a sign of blessings. They realized that even during difficult times, they had each other's support and love. Maya stood up and said, "Let's be thankful for the rain, for the smiles, for the unity we share, and for the lessons that challenges teach us." The villagers nodded in agreement, feeling a deep sense of gratitude in their hearts. From that day on, the village transformed. People began to appreciate the small things and help one another. The rains returned, and the crops flourished. The villagers were not only thankful for the harvest but also for the sense of togetherness they had cultivated. Maya's village became a shining example of how a grateful heart can turn challenges into opportunities and bring people closer. They realized that life's true richness comes from appreciating and being content with what they have. And so, the painting in the temple became a reminder to always be grateful, for a grateful heart attracts more blessings and fills life with joy and abundance. Moral of the story: gratitude is the key to unlocking the fullness of life. Even in the face of challenges, a grateful heart can transform adversity into opportunities for growth, unity, and happiness. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video and stay blessed. Need your precious support. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It is free, and press the bell icon for more new videos. Keep smiling, be happy and spread love. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think.